fellow men with respect, our servants with justice, our authorities with courtesy, even when they are not godly and do not serve the way we expect them to, so that we may give our country genuine love, service, and dedication. Help us in every possible way to refrain from prejudice,